blinking. Yeah, that's it. Blinking's on, right? Okay. Yeah, it's red light blinking. We're good. You should stop saying it's going to be a big one, because every time you do, it's not. You're jinxing yourself, what it is. No, that's the point. It's gonna look like Stevie Wonder was taking this video. It's gonna take off.
You see how they never swallow these types of hooks?
Let him go right here.
Put it under the water.
Okay, wow. He took off between my legs.